Hi, and welcome to this playlist of foundations and principles of woodworking, carpentry, and joinery. I'm Conrad from BlueWood Handyman. I'm a tutor and a carpenter for the past 3 decades. And in this playlist, it's an introduction to hand tools and basic power tools. It'll be an introduction to health and safety, and it's going to benefit you because if you are studying site carpentry or bench joinery, when you're in the workshop environment or college environment, you don't always get the opportunity to ask questions, or you may have missed a day, or you only see one demonstration. And demonstrations in college environments, we can't always go full in depth. So I actually teach site carpentry and bench joinery, as well as a practicing carpenter and joiner. So I try and combine that, and using this platform of YouTube as best we can, be able to benefit you to rewatch any demonstrations and speed them up or slow them down and repeatedly watch them. Rather than when you're in a workshop environment and you're actually learning this or you're practicing it yourself, you may only see your instructor give one demonstration, and sometimes you want to have that repeated, or you don't want to ask the question. So here's the opportunity, and it's a great platform to be able to do that. It goes into mostly hand tools. There are some power tools, but power tools is for another playlist, which will be a bit more advanced. And the reason it's going into hand tools, the reason it covers mostly hand tools, is that's where you actually learn the basics and the fundamentals of the wood and understand the defects, the positives, how to grain, how it works with the tool, and you become a better woodworker by using hand tools at the beginning. It gives you a more tactile, actual feeling of the timber, and you can only get that through hand tools. So that's why on courses you cover hand tools first, with all the tools, how much pressure to put on it, and how to cut it, how to manipulate the wood, how to work with defects, and how to use them to your advantage. So what you're going to get out of this are continual updates for hand tools, techniques, and things I've learned from other students on if you do make mistakes, because we all make mistakes constantly, on how we can correct those. So I'll be putting in tips on those as well. Hopefully you like it, and it's a benefit to you. If it is, and you find this useful, please like it. Please like the videos in it, and that'll help others as well. Enjoy. Cheers.